So today we are going to discuss about isotope. So what is isotope? Isotope means atoms of same element with the same atomic number with different mass number. Atoms with same atomic number Z and different mass number. Mass number means A. Same element only. So same atomic number, different mass number. For example, 1H1, 1H2, 1H3. So actually here 1H1, 1H2, 1H3. So 1H1 means proton, 1H2 means deuterium, 1H3 means tritium. We can write this one as T3 also. This one we can write D2 also. This one simply H1. So we can write 1H2 or D2. We can write 1H3 or T3. D means deuterium. T means tritium. So see here, both are having below atomic number, same atomic number. And mass number is different. Here 1, here 1, here 2, here 3. So these are having same atomic number but different mass number. So these are isotopes. So what will happen with isotopes? Is there any property will be changes by changing mass number? Here they have same number of protons. That means same number of electrons. So same chemical properties. But number of neutrons will be changes because of different mass. So here same atomic number, due to same atomic number Z. So what will happen means same number of atomic number means indirectly same protons or same number of electrons. Same number of electrons. If number of electrons are same, they have same chemical properties. Same chemical properties. So due to same number of electrons, same chemical properties are possible, but different mass number is possible. Different mass number means number of neutrons also changes. Number of neutrons also changed. So number of neutrons means A minus Z. A minus Z. So number of neutrons, small n, because n equal to A minus Z. So n equal to A minus Z means number of neutrons change. Number of neutrons, if number of neutrons are changed, they have different masses and different physical properties. Different physical properties. Different physical properties. Isobars. Isobars means they have same mass number but different atomic numbers. Atoms with different mass number, different atomic number and same mass number. See here students, atoms with different atomic number and same mass. So these are the example. Best example is argon. Argon having atomic number 18, mass number 40, and calcium having, this is potassium 39, calcium atomic number 40, atomic number 20. See here, both are having same mass number, but different protons or electrons or atomic number. So these are not same elements, different elements, because different elements only having different atomic numbers. We cannot compare with same elements, because the same elements does not contain different atomic number. That's why in case of isobars we are comparing with the different elements. And one more example is C16, C614, N714. So carbon atomic number is 6 and mass number is 14. Nitrogen atomic number is 7, mass number is 14. Both are having same mass number, but atomic number is different. So these are the examples for isobars. So now students, here atomic number of electrons changed. So different atomic number means different chemical properties. What about mass number or number of neutrons? Same number of nucleons. Just once observe it here. 14 minus 6, 14 minus 7. So number of neutrons also changed. So physical properties also changes in this case, because number of neutrons are changed. So here in this case, chemical properties changes and physical properties also changes. Students, what is isotone? Isotones means atoms with a different atomic number and mass number, but same number of neutrons. So atoms with same number of neutrons, that means different atomic number, mass number. So atoms are having different atomic number, different mass number, but same number of neutrons are possible. So best example is B, boron 511, C 612. So here watch it students, see number of neutrons A equal to 11 minus 5, 6. Here number of neutrons equal to 12 minus 6, 6. Both are having same number of neutrons. So these are isotones. Next, isostates. Isostates means molecules with a different substance with same atomicity but same number of electrons. Molecules with different substance. Molecules with the different substances with same atomicity and same number of electrons. Atomicity means number of molecules with different substance with the same atomicity and the same N2 and CO. Here atomicity is, in case of N2, atomicity is 2. Here also CO, 1 carbon, 1 oxygen. So atomicity is 2. And the number of electrons. So N2, nitrogen contains 7 electrons. So 7 electrons, 2 nitrogens. So 7 plus 7, 14. Here carbon contains how many electrons? 6. Oxygen 8. So 14. Same number of electrons are there, same atomicity is there. So these are isostates. So normally we can calculate the average atomic mass also based on formula. So normally we can find out the average atomic mass. Average atomic mass. This average atomic mass can be find out based on atomic weight and its the percentage abundance. So normally formula is atomic weight into x plus atomic, this is atomic weight 1, next plus atomic weight 2 into 100 minus x. 100 minus x. Divided by 100. So here normally what is x means? Percentage of abundance of isotope 1, and 100 minus x means percentage of abundance of isotope 2. So based on abundance of isotope 1 and 2, and we know the atomic weights 1 and 2, then we can find out the average atomic mass. The number of neutrons present in a deuterium isotope of hydrogen. Deuterium means 1H2 or D2. So here how to find out number of neutrons? A minus Z. A is 2, Z is 1. So 2 minus 1, 1. So answer is 1. Number of electrons in A, K1940 minus 1. Minus 1 means this indicates number of electrons gain. Number of electrons gain. That means already Z equal to 19 is there. So 19 is the atomic number. And the number of electrons gain is minus 1. Minus 1 means that many electrons are gained. So that means gained means plus. So 19 plus 1, 20. So answer is 20. So number of electrons in the K1940 is minus 1 is 20. Difference in Cl1735, Cl1737. Here atomic number is same. What about mass number? Mass number is different, but they did not given different number of mass number. And by changing mass number, what will happen? Number of neutrons are changed. In case of Cl1735, see this here, they given two same element with two different mass numbers. Here number of neutrons equal to 37 minus 17, 20. Here number of neutrons equal to 35, 18. So here see the students, number of neutrons are changed or not? So option is number of neutrons. So students, here in this case both are chlorines only, both are having same atomic number only, but mass number is changed. By changing mass number, number of neutrons are changed. So option is B.